All right, welcome back to our comprehensive Revit training workshop. Now, I'm going to quickly introduce some doors in certain places before I model my parapet. So let me go to top decking. I'm going to introduce this door that you take to this veranda, both at the front and at the back. So very quickly, I come back to my architecture tab and then I take on my door tool. Okay, so all right, the door is supposed to open to the wall. So okay, I also have one here. And then there are so many other doors, like the doors leading to the rooms. Okay, there's supposed to be a wall here demarcating this and making room for the two toilets. I'm going to leave that as an assignment for you, the viewer. And then there's also supposed to be an arc here. You fix an arc here leading to the dining. All right, I'm also going to leave that to you, the viewer. And then there's also supposed to be another door here leading to the kitchen, and then the dining door here. Okay, let's come down to the building floor and look at what we have on our first floor. Okay, so on our first floor, everything is defined. All right, except this dining table arc, which I intend to leave for you, who is the viewer. Okay, very quickly, let us go to our roof beam and let us model our parapet. Okay, so this is the door. This is the door we just introduced to lead from the staircase to the veranda, and then of course at the back sides too. Okay, so this is the door to lead from the staircase to the veranda at the back. Okay, this is the door that leads from the kitchen to the back veranda, and then of course this is the door that leads from the back staircase into the back veranda. And then of course we are supposed to have a back staircase door here. So let's go to our top decking, and then very quickly let's introduce that D arrow is a shortcut for door. You can always say D arrow at any time to have access to the shortcut for door. Okay, that's supposed to be on our ground floor, the building floor. So that's our back door. So now to introduce our parapet, we have to be at our roof beam level. Good. So this is our roof beam level. So like we've done before when we are doing our bungalow model, you come to model in place. Okay, it's already on casework, so you say okay, and then you say okay. So what kind of modeling are we doing? We are doing sweep. So you click on sweep and then you say sketch path. So you proceed to sketch the path that the parapet will go through. You proceed to sketch the path that the parapet will go through. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm supposed to take it from here. We need to be careful about this. We'll come back and take care of all of that. Okay, we will use a trim/extend to corners to remove all of those excessive lines. So tap on this to trim that off. I tap on this and this to trim that off. Then I say okay, and then I say edit profile and open view. So at this point I proceed to sketch the type of parapet I want. So 100, 100, 100, and then 300 at angle 45. Supposed to be 300, sorry. Okay, good. I got what I'm looking for. So 100, 100, 100, then 300, then 100, 100, 100, and then 300 at angle 135. No, sorry, it's supposed to be right here. Good. So 100, remember we did this before. Okay, so I finish and then I also finish. Now I want to choose the material for my parapet. We have already choose the parapet material before when we were doing parapet for our ground floor. You know, we modified this story building from our ground floor, so we do not need to go and create materials all over again. If you want to know about material creation, then you watch the video on the ground floor modeling. We created materials severally there. You will see all the steps to create materials right there. So all I need to do is to go to P. You go to P by just selecting one of them and typing P. It will take you to P. Then you can now scroll to where you can now scroll to your particular material. This is the parapet material we have created before. So I tap on it and then I say okay, and then I say finish. So that is it. When you now look at it in 3D, you see that we have our parapet. So very quickly, let's go on and fixing our roof. Okay, so you come to roof by footprint, and when you say roof by footprint, okay, it's alerting me that I'm creating the roof on the lowest part of the building. Okay, so for me to create my roof, I had to create a level at the top of the parapet. So let us go to our elevation view. Remember, when we created our parapet, we gave it a height of 600. So let's go back to our elevation view. Okay, this is our elevation view. Remember, we took 100, 100, 300 and 100 and 100. So the total height of our parapet is in the vicinity of 700. But there's nothing to worry about. We can just pick our level and get it from here. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.